In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to Wix using a free method. If you're looking to enhance the visual appeal of your Wix website with a unique font, follow along and we'll go through the process together. Before we get started, ensure you've already created an account and have a site set up on Wix. Once you're logged in, we'll begin by accessing the Wix website editor. Navigate to your Wix dashboard and look for your website. Click on Edit Site to open the Wix editor. Now that you are in the Wix website editor, let's start by adding an element. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a panel with various icons. Hover over the Add icon, which allows you to incorporate new elements into your website. Click on it, and a menu with options like text, image, and gallery will appear. For this tutorial, we want to add a text element to utilize our new custom font. Once you've opened the Add menu, select Text. Under this option, you'll find several text types, including titles and paragraphs. Click on Add Heading. This will place a text heading onto your web page, and this is where you'll apply the custom font. Don't worry about the exact placement right now. You can adjust that later. Next, let's focus on editing this text. Click on the text box on your web page, and you'll see the Edit Text button appear. Click on Edit Text to open the text settings menu. Within this menu, you can modify the style of your text, including size, color, and of course the font. The option to select a different font should be visible below the text settings. Here, we'll upload the custom font file. Select the font drop-down menu, and you'll notice an Upload Font button. Click on it, and a prompt will appear for uploading. Make sure you have your custom font file ready on your computer. It's important to check that it is in a compatible format, such as TTF or OTF, for it to upload correctly. Once you press Upload Fonts, choose your custom font file from your computer. Select your file, confirm, and upload it to Wix. After uploading is complete, your font will appear in the list of available fonts in the drop-down menu. From now on, you can apply this custom font to any text elements on your website. To wrap up, return to the text heading on your web page and apply your new custom font from the drop-down list within the text settings. Take a moment to tweak any additional settings like color or size to fit your site's design. Remember, customizing fonts is a powerful tool for enhancing your website's aesthetic and brand identity. Enjoy the creativity this feature brings and have fun customizing your Wix site with unique text elements. With these steps, you've successfully added a custom font to Wix for free. Experiment with different fonts and styles to give your website a fresh and personal look. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!